Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine, doing good. Now, in the first part of this story, we had studied about king and king's questions, king's three questions. He want the answers of his question. He wanted the answers of his question, but he didn't get answers. After asking in his court, uh, he had decided to go to a hermit. And when he met a wise man, the wise hermit, the particular hermit didn't answer him. Okay, didn't answer his questions. So in second part, suddenly a wounded man came and fell near the king and the wise man. He was bleeding heavily. Okay, so the king washed and cleaned the wound of the man. He cleaned it till the bleeding stopped. He looked after him. He looked after the particular injured man. So the wounded man felt sorry and told the king that he was his enemy and he wanted to kill the king. He had come to the forest to take revenge on the king. Okay, so that was the reason to come there. uh, Reason of that particular injured man. So the king's bodyguard wounded him. After finding that he had come to kill the king. Okay, so now when king served him, so he changed his mind. Okay, he wanted to serve king. So the king was very happy to see how finally gave him uh, how his foe or his enemy turned into a friend. That is why king was happy. So then the hermit finally gave answer to him. What was the answer? He said the king had not stayed back to the old man. He would surely have returned and on his way. Okay, so back the man would have attacked him. The king would have regretted this. His staying back to help the old man saved his life. So the most important time was when the king was digging the beds. Okay, the most important man for the king was the old wise man and doing good. Okay, so finally the king got the answers of his question from the particular hermit. Okay, he got all the three answers. Or the third answer was that the most important thing to do is to help the person who is always with us at present. So these were the three answers to three questions of the king. So this way we will not keep worrying about the future and will always be happy and peaceful in our life. Okay, so that is all about the three questions of the king and how he got his answers. Okay, students. So if you have any doubt here, I want to tell you, all the students, if you have any doubt in any chapter of your half yearly syllabus, okay, so you can ask me. You can ask me directly. Come into the school. You will find me in school, and Monday to Friday timing 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so if you have any doubt, come to ask me. So till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.